how to make a CNC, how to connect the circuit, and how to control it by the software. Everything about CNC will be discussed in today's video. So hi guys, welcome to another video of Tech Studio. For more videos related to technology, please stay connected with us. If you missed the previous part, please check the description for better understand. In part 3, I will show you how to connect the circuit and how to control the CNC using Benbox software. So firstly friends, you have to take this CNC shield and you have to short these 3 pins. Here you can see we already shorted these pins. Just like the similar way, you also short these pins. After doing this, take the stepper motor driver A4988 and you have to put the A4988 driver in the given slot of CNC shield. Remember, while putting the A4988 in the CNC shield, this potentiometer of A4988 must be inside to the CNC shield. Now take the Arduino Uno and place the CNC shield on the Arduino Uno. Now you have to connect the stepper motor of X-axis and Y-axis to the CNC shield. Here in the shield you can see there is a mark of X-axis and Y-axis. And in the CNC machine, the motor of the base is considered as Y-axis and the motor of the top is considered as X-axis stepper motor. Now connect these motors to the shield. Here these two are for one coil of stepper motor and the other two are for the other coil of the stepper motor. In this way, connect the motors to the circuit. Now friends, you have to connect the servo. For this you have to connect the positive pin of the servo to the plus 5 volt of the CNC shield. Then connect the negative pin of the servo to the ground pin of the CNC shield. At last, connect the signal pin of the servo to the plus Z pin of the CNC shield. So we finished all the circuit connections. Now connect the Arduino to your computer and open the Benbox software and follow the steps what I do. You can get the link of the Benbox software in description. Firstly, go to the left corner and select the language. Then click here and choose the COM port and the Arduino type, and then choose the firmware. Now click here and upload the firmware. After it, click in the close button. Then go to the right side and click on the 3 bars and follow the steps. Firstly, you have to select the COM port, and then here are the some settings which you have to do as per your motor type and construction. After this, come to the carb mode and select outline and then select the servo. Now in this page you have to do the same as I do. Define the step pin of X-axis 2 and Y-axis 3. After it, define the direction pin of X-axis 5 and Y-axis 6. Then you have to set up the PPM as per your motor type. Now we have to define the servo pins 11 and 0. After all the setup, select a picture from the gallery and click on the run button. In this way, you can select any picture and run the CNC, and the CNC will draw the same picture.